welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Today I have a quick Dollar Tree haul for y'all. You've probably seen some of this stuff, but I wanted to go ahead and share with you. Well, let me go ahead and show you a couple things I got from Amazon first. Finally, they had my tape runner refills in. They had one left in stock by the time I knew they had it. So I got to get one for $12. Isn't that crazy? And then I ordered these. My friend Steffi creates. I'm going to learn how to do some wire bead wrapping. So I needed some tools for that. And so she gave me the link for these. Not sure what these are called, but I'll put it on the screen when I edit this video. Okay, Dollar Tree. I got a bucket from the Dollar Tree and some of my stuff is in here. I saw on a TikTok or an Instagram short, but I've got the... oh, what is that? It's the mop bucket. It's red and you fill it up over here. Then you put your mop down in here and you push it down with your foot. You know, squeeze all your water out. Well, she took and put clean water in the mop bucket over where you're supposed to fill it up. Put the bucket down in there and put clean water with your cleaning stuff in here. Put it on this side. And that way you just rinse out your dirty water and then you're just putting your mop back down in clean water. So that's what I got this bucket for. Okay, I picked up some of this. I don't know if this is... It says, oh, it's ribbon. I thought this was, you know what I thought this was? Like a garland. I still can use it, but I thought this was, oh, look how pretty. I thought it was like ropes, is what I thought. But it's still cute. So I got this silver, red, and green. I need to go back and see if they got a gold. I think they did. I'm going to look for gold. You guys, I don't know if you can hear that or not, but my neighbors are evidently having a big party over there. I can hear their music. Then I got some of this glitter tool in red. This is great for Christmas and Valentine's Day. I got some of this foil cardstock by Crafter Square. So you got like two of the holographic, two gold, one red, one silver, one green, and one blue. Cute, because I was just thinking it was all holographic. And I got some of these tube confettis. I didn't really care about these two, but I wanted this one, like translucent one. But we could still use these. I picked up some of these for my husband's, like ranch or ketchup or things for to pack in his lunch. They're not the best containers, but they'll work for, you know, he's use them a couple times, then we'll get rid of them because he gets so dirty at work. I always pick up my sponges. I wash these out real good with soap and a little bit of bleach, and then I use these to wash dishes. I don't use a dishwasher. And I picked up this pack of paper. This was the only one that I seen that I didn't have because my store finally got some in. These are great for fall. And then I picked up a couple of these packs of the gingerbread shapes. I'm almost positive I have some of these, but I didn't want to not get them and then not have them for some, you know, some crafting. And then I found these nail art embellishments. I have something like these that I ordered from something. So these are the little flowers, and then they have the beads in there that you'll put inside your flowers. Of course, I'm not going to use these on my fingernails, but they're great for little crafts. Whoops. But you could use them on your fingernails, of course. That's what they're for. And then these ones are... Oh, look, I didn't even see those. I just thought they were like pearl. These are little beads. And you... Well, we lost that one. There's like some silver ones in here. Pearl beads, some like opal color. Is right, like the iridescent colors. Oh my goodness, we're losing so many. So not bad for $1.25. So that there was something else there too, but I can't remember what it was. I got these wall art. These are fun to use for different things. You can put these like on cardboard, or you can make cards out of these. Did pick up 2 of the same. They had some other ones there, but I didn't think they were that cute. So you could use these for all different types of things. So cute. Eat cookies, drink hot cocoa, and be merry. And I found these for the grandkids' stockings. Thin Mints, dark chocolate spoons. I also got me one. There's 3 in the pack. Not protected very well, are they? They smell so good. They smell like real chocolate, like a peppermint patty. So maybe you want to make sure you look at them before you buy them. That's before 1/16/2025. These are imported and distributed exclusively by High Hilco LLC in Louisville, Kentucky. And these are made in Turkey. Chocolate liqueur, sugar. Well, there's no high fructose corn syrup, so that's good. But, you know, we don't pay attention to those things during holidays. But so cute. I thought they would be better than those one Palmer things. I found this book, The Unofficial Disney Parks Epcot Cookbook. 100 Epcot-inspired recipes for eating and drinking around the world. Ooh, some entrees. Kielbasa and potato pierogi. Pierogi? I think it's pierogi. Sticky toffee pudding. Banana bread with mixed berry compote. Viking coffee. Tokyo sunset. Oh, it's a nice book. The Magic of Disney in Your Kitchen. So there's a couple other ones too. Pick up or download your copies today. So pretty cute for $1.25. Then I picked up these 2. They had some different other ones, but I just picked up these 2. I like to get these too when I take like all the presents down to my family. These are great instead of bags that are going to rip. I found these bubble mailers. A couple packs of those. Got the ice creams and popsicles and stuff on them. I got some of this white pom-pom trim. The red pom-pom trim. And green. I'm pretty sure I have these. Just in case I didn't, I went ahead and got them. I got some of the white, like the snow mesh ribbon. Planner discs, expansion discs, in the pink and the green. I got some of these red bells. Then I found some of them flowers. I just got a couple packs because I have a whole bunch of the little birdie ones. So found this is all of the faux fur that I found. That's the only collar they had. And then I picked these up. I thought I had some of these. I'm thinking I must have another tote of Halloween stuff someplace because I couldn't find these anyplace. I don't know where I put them. So I went ahead and picked these up after, you know, I'm finished with all my projects. Picked up this tissue paper. I need this for some Happy Mail. I wouldn't know who I'm sending that to. No clue. I got these wooden stickers. I picked up 2 packs of those. 2 packs of the words sunshine, friend, hello. I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of those. I picked up these little iron-on patches and then these stickers. So cute. Love the little things. This is so cute for a spring card. Then I picked up these vellum packs. I know everybody's already seen these, I'm sure, but I haven't felt them to see. So cute. Nice. And then these ones are the butterfly. Six sheets. So pretty. All right, that is the end of my Dollar Tree haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope if you've seen something you might want to go look for. Sorry if you've seen all this already, but all right. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Oh, I'll link the things from Amazon in the description just in case you're interested. All right, y'all have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. Hope you're having so much fun. Thank you. Bye.